So let's watch NightShadow. Oh yeah, the intro, right? So like, I wish he kind of built it. I wish he kind of built on it more. What do you think about like a collapse expand? Like in terms of like value, where does a collapse expand? Yeah, like it's like super high value in my opinion.
I don't know. It depends on how it's done. I
think
feel
so.
like it could have been done better in this case, but like as a move itself, because of how it was done, I'd say it was done like not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
I can't get over the song to that set.
The set matches the song, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, like really well.
A watermelon set, you know? Little watermelon, little grape for the thumbs.
Yeah, no, it looks nitro fun.
There's a in NightShadow's control, he has some decent control. You know what I mean? Like, there could be a couple things that could use a little bit of fixing, like the depth. But like his control is pretty good. Like if I were to like pick out a strength, it's like his like when he's in it. You know what I mean? Like his speed control when he's in it.
Yeah, I mean, he's got the flow. He's got the like the concept of momentum.
The momentum.
And trails.
Yeah. Like I think that's his strongest aspect.
Yeah.
A little bounce there.
Do we know how long NightShadow's been gloving?
I have no clue, man. He came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
If I had to guess,
like,
though, yeah, maybe a
Go
year.
ahead.
What do you
Yeah, I
think?
could see that.
Oh, and then also, once again, I would love to like lab flails with him. That feels like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this was generally like a pretty like there are more positives than negatives, right?
Yeah.
It could all make a cohesive show. It's just about how he's putting it together that like did this for me.
Yeah. Like in terms of like variety, he's got like some tools, right? It's just like more
Yeah.
about that presentation. Like when I think about it, I'm like, yeah, like he realistically looks like someone who's been gloving for a decent amount of time.
Yeah.
That ending, though.
The ending, though, you can't be blue balling NightShadow. You can't be blue balling us.
Yeah, man.
The ending's got to come out. The ending's got to be a little bit more. It's got to ease out a little bit.
That's like the number one thing I care about.
DannyPhantom, this guy.
Okay, let's go.
What a guy.
This
Let's
dude.
see. Okay. That's a pretty good intro. Not
Yeah.
gonna lie.
He's active.
Take away the fear inside. Sincere time, how it pulls upon my life. You wash out these
Nice. Let's go.
won't you try and make yourself a part of the ride? 'Cause they might say you'll catch a cold, dear coattails right out.
Little smile there.
Away from those tears now. Make us lose who we are.
Okay. This is all good, man. There is a little bit of some placements are weird. just very small margins, you know, very small execution errors, but mostly clean.
Oh, yeah, no, this fucking insane part, yeah.
I love how he's moving with those dials. It's not just static. He's like kind of like rotating it. It's a really cool illusion.
Yeah.
That's a good hit. What's that shirt, bro? That was not bad, dude. That was really good.
Dude, this is probably one of my favorite shows from Danny, to be
yeah?
honest. This something I talk to him a lot about is his like musicality and his song choices. And this was like a really strong song choice from Danny.
Yeah, it's better than usual, I will admit.
Yeah.
I feel like when you're watching a video, when you don't have anything to say, it's usually a good thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's fair.
Okay. Because I
Yeah,
found myself
I
just
talk
found
too much.
myself just like enjoying the show. Like I found myself just watching it and like there wasn't anything much to say, you know.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
it was solid.
No, for sure. Like the only things I really noticed in terms of the show was like there were some times where he hesitated to hit a beat, but that's just being nitpicky and being a friend of Danny.
Right.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think like could make Danny stronger? I feel like an element of surprise, you know?
Yeah.
Like more
That's a good
wow
question.
factor moments, bigger moments that make you go like, holy crap! Like how did he do that? Because everything is digestible, but there isn't
Right.
like that like.
It's too digestible.
It's made too digestible.
I mean, to be fair, like that's why I'm a bad competitor, because I'm kind of the opposite.
Oh my god! Okay. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how the hell is he eating all those chips with his mask on? That's not important. What is important are these batteries, and these gloves, and these accessories. And you can get them all 10% off if you use the code ALOHANATION at glow-leds.com. I'm watching Fry.